And that's how we're now looking at the underwriting of our companies going forward. What are the companies that have that capability, that have those sorts of attributes that we can bring a set of best practices, which is now augmented on the best practice of converting from, in some cases, again, SaaS or buy beyond prem, but SaaS hosted to agentic enterprise software companies, and what's the value that we now then can convey to our stakeholders as a result of the conversion processes that we're going to undergo with those businesses.
Okay, now we're going to take a step back and go macro. Okay, so throughout history, transformative technologies like steam engine, the assembly line, the internet have reshaped industries and propelled global economic growth. How does AI compare to those technological advancements?
I believe it's interesting. It is a general purpose technology like each of those. We've now gone through a very interesting state, really as a planet and as where over the last 15, 20 years, we've gone through a digitization of infrastructure. And that digitization of infrastructure has provided a massive amount of productivity. That productivity, when operated in a globalization environment, lifted a massive number of people in their economic standard of living, which we've all been beneficiaries of. This newer technology has productivity capabilities of orders of magnitude above that. And it will create some societal questions and challenges that we're going to have to deal with as humans on this planet. But it also will probably solve a number of issues and give us capabilities that we didn't have in the past. Our job as stewards of capital is to bring the greatest amount of utility of this new technology into the companies that we own and into the companies that we're looking to underwrite to create value for the pensioners, the investors, who are our stakeholders. And that's an important part of this. I am more optimistic about what this technology can provide today than I was even 6 months ago, because I can now see the utility benefits of what it will do. We, of course, have to understand and figure out how these agentic systems, agentic workers will work, how we will work with them, how we will enable them to be effective to deliver the values that we want, how we can ensure in many cases that it delivers the precision in the environments that we care about.